What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Melissa and I am in my closet. This is probably one of the most highly requested videos on my channel, is a closet tour, and I cleaned it for you guys. This is a room that is literally never clean for me. I am a very clean and tidy person, and my closet is literally never clean. It's because I have so much stuff. I'm constantly putting outfits together, looks together, making videos, but I cleaned it up for you guys. I brought out all my winter stuff. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Melissa, and today I have a closet tour for you guys. I am so insanely blessed with the amount of clothing that I have. I know not one person needs this amount of clothing. I know I'm extremely lucky to have this space as a closet. I am not in one bit trying to brag to you guys. I just want to show you guys what my closet looks like. I've been putting this off for so long, and I know you guys seriously want a closet tour. My closet tour from like years ago is so different than what it is now. My style has changed. Everything has changed. Everything is better. Everything's bigger. Everything's better. But I know how lucky I am, and if you're new here, please subscribe down below before you leave. Also follow me on all my social media. I will pop them up on the screen right here. Make sure to follow my Instagram, follow my Depop and both my Instagrams, and whatever else I pop up there. Check those out, but without further ado, let's get into this tour. Alright guys, we're gonna start in this shoe section here. So I have a bunch of shoes that, I don't know, more of my sandals and stuff are over here, and a couple other pairs of shoes here. I guess I'll show you guys some of my favorite ones. So these ones right here were custom made Louis Vuitton little Air Force Ones. I love these. They match my Louis Vuitton bag, so I always wear those with my bag. They just match really well. I also have like my Vans and my Converse because I never get rid of those because they just go with everything, and some sandals. I have a lot of black chunky sandals. I love these ones. These are like Harley Davidson motorcycle ones. These are like vinyl patent leather. They have flames on them. These are my go-to. They also give me some nice height. I also love these ones too. These ones are from Zara. I just got these a couple months ago. They are rainbow sparkly, and obviously my Skechers are there. My other Skechers I think are downstairs. And then I have yellow, some Adidas, just some of the sneakers that I don't aren't my favorite, but I just don't want to get rid of. And over here we have all of my bathing suits down here. So Zoffel hooks me up pretty much every couple months and sends me a ton of bathing suits. I'm not going to go through all of them because there are so many, but thanks to them I literally never have to buy a bathing suit. Over here are some shoes that I like to keep in their boxes, some that I just got, or just some tall boots that don't stand by themselves. These ones are my newest addition to my wardrobe. They are so fabulous. They are neon green, lime green Air Force Ones, so I was pretty pumped about those. And this is the rack that I put all of my new stuff on, stuff that is just coming in this season, stuff that I've recently thrifted or bought. So about all of this stuff right here is brand new from Yes Style. They sent me a bunch of stuff, so that's super fun. I have my cow printed, and then I have this Nike shirt which I picked up in Florida recently. Actually, this is going to be perfect for just going to school and stuff, easy to throw on. It's kind of bougie. And then I have this set which I picked up recently. It's going to be really cute. It's like a skirt set, Fila. All my belts are here too, so I have a ton of grommet belts. They are my favorite type of belt to ever have, is a grommet belt, because you can tie it as tight as you want and it just cinches your waist. What else do we have here? I got my Hilfiger, my Tommy Hilfiger denim jacket. I just have a bunch of stuff that I want to wear. This is a rack that I put if I haven't worn it and I really want to wear it. So I'll put this here. I also have some thrifted pieces. This is thrifted. This is DKNY. I got this the other day too. So it's everything that I've recently picked up, thrift and brand new. On the bottom here is all of my colorful printed pants. So I love pants. Pants are probably my favorite thing to thrift or order online or pick up at the mall. I love finding funky pants. I have so many. These are some of my favorites right here. I have these Betty Boop ones, which are Lazy Oafs. I love those. These ones, which Yes Style just sent me, which are zebra printed sweatpants. I love like funky, colorful sweatpants. Those are like my go-to pieces. These two bags right here are my like everyday type of bags. Like if I'm going over to Nolan's, I will pack my Tommy Hilfiger little duffel bag, and this is my most prized possession because this was my very, very first big purchase when I started to make my own money, so this is very important to me. And then we have some coats. So I ended up taking out my coats. They were all in like storage and stuff because it was summer. So I have all my coats here. There's some new ones, there's some old ones. This one is probably my favorite, my Fendi Coat. I also love this one. This is so early 2000s. I'm so excited to wear this in the fall time. I haven't yet worn that. I have a lot of like little denim jackets. You know, I got my Harley Davidson motorcycle jacket. I got some racer jackets. This one is super funky too. It's like vinyl red, which is cute, and puffer coats. I'm so obsessed with puffer jackets, so I have a ton of those too, which I love. And this is probably one of my most expensive ones because this is from Aritzia, but I got a gift card, so this was my birthday present from my boyfriend's mom. So I love that. It's really cozy. And then down here I keep all of my boots. Well, some of my boots. I have a lot of shoes. I love shoes, and a lot of my shoes aren't thrifted. So Docs, I have these, which are from Yes Style, which I just picked up. And like these ones, which are polka dotted, which are really cute, from Zara. Super cute. Under here, some more Doc Martens. So I just keep all of my boots on. Hi, baby. Louis wants to be in the video. So I have all my Docs down here, the other Docs here, and yeah, a bunch of black boots, just some winter boots, which I will be wearing a lot more now that it's going to be winter soon. This is all of my tank tops here, so super interesting. I guess this is probably my favorite one. It's my Dior one right here. Got some Burberry here. Just a lot of like funky stuff. So this is new too. It's from Boohoo. It's like a colorful set. Just a bunch of stuff. And then as for bags, I kind of just put them wherever there's room to put some bags. So I'll put those there. And that is basically the first side of the room. But this is my favorite part of this whole entire closet. I have all my faux fur in here. There's so many jackets. I love faux fur. I thrift a lot of my faux fur, and I buy a lot of my faux fur, but I just absolutely love my faux fur, and I'm so excited to wear them. So I have them all pretty much color coordinated. I don't know who needs 2 yellow faux fur jackets, but I do. So I have one which is from Zara, which is kind of like more casual because it has a hood. It's like more of a cape style. And then this one, which is from Forever 21, which is more like fun, and I don't know where the heck I would wear this, to be honest. You just look like Big Bird. But I think it's really cute. And then I have this one, which I just recently picked up thrift store. I have 2 of them actually. One is also on my Depop for you guys. I love those early 2000s. And then I have 3 red ones, a couple blue ones. This one I also picked up this past summer. Finding faux fur in the summer is the best because there's a lot to pick from and not a lot of people are looking through the jackets. This one I also love, which is just from Forever 21, and it is this cow printed one. And this one, which I picked up at the end of the season last year, which is from Guess. It says Guess all over it, and I haven't yet worn this, and I'm super excited about that because by the time I got it, it was on sale for I think like $15 at Guess, which is crazy. And then these are some of the sweaters that I wear most. So I love hoodies and sweaters. I wear them all the time. I have like an Adidas one. I have some Kappa here, some Nike, and some Champion. These ones are the ones that I wear the most. Up here are my shorts and my skirts. Nothing too interesting about that. And then some more boots here. And then up there is a bunch more bags, which I don't know, I don't really use them that much. And then down here are my jeans. I have so many jeans that all of these drawers are filled with jeans. I probably never should ever buy another pair of jeans, but because I thrift so much, I just come across a lot of jeans. So I have all of my jeans in these drawers right here. There's some more. Oh, these are like sweatpants. These are my favorite ones that I just picked up. These are the Pharrell Williams times Adidas. and I found these at the thrift, and they're in perfect condition. Super expensive too, and I just found these at the thrift, and they're my size. They're just meant to be. So I picked those up the other day, and I'm super excited to wear those in the fall time. So that's like my athletic wear, which I love. I also have some dresses back there, but I don't have a lot of dresses because once I wear a dress once, I usually like get rid of it or I sell it. Next here, and then moving on to this big guy right here. This is not really that interesting because it's just a lot of makeup and stuff. So I have all my like extra makeup in here. I have a big thing of lipsticks, and then I have some necklaces that I don't really wear that much. Oh, this is kind of cute. Maybe I should wear this. This is cute. Sometimes I'll go back and I'll have these for like a couple of years and I'll realize that it's like kind of back in style. And then these are all of my earrings, which is super messy, this drawer, but there's no way to keep this tidy, I'm sorry. So I thrift a lot of my earrings because I love to have cute thrifted earrings in all of my videos. And so yeah, I found the cutest ones at the thrift store. And then here's some sunglasses. These are the sunglasses that I don't usually wear that much, or that haven't been in style recently. I mean, these were like last year's season, like a lot of these were in style, but I just don't wear them that much now. And then same with these up here. These are kind of like my extra drawers. And then right here is the mother load of sunglasses. Sunglasses are my absolute favorite accessory. I feel like I never leave the house without a pair, even spring, fall, winter, whatever season it is. So these are the ones that I've been loving a lot recently, like the very Yeezy-esque 90s sunnies. I love these so much right now. I also have been loving like the mini sunnies, like these, which you can get a bunch of them from Yes Style for like $5-10 bucks each, which is crazy. And then I got these ones the other day too when I was in Florida. They are my MCM ones, which are really cute. And I also love these ones, which are cow printed from Urban Outfitters. These ones are super cute too. I love the design of those. Then I have more sweaters here that I wear. I love hoodies and sweaters, especially come the fall time. I love wearing a hoodie with a blazer. And these are my Threads boots. These are from Dolls Kill. I love them. I don't wear them very much. I think I wore them on Halloween and maybe 1 or 2 other times, but that's it. I just don't like to part with them because they're just so my aesthetic. And we have my Starbucks. This is my second favorite part. Actually, this might be my first favorite part of my closet. So these are all of my very more so expensive pieces. Like I have my amazing platform and Nikes here. You guys went crazy when I posted my Instagram, and these ones I haven't even worn yet, but they're brand new. These ones I got in Miami. They're so fab. I love the gold. And these ones are my first Chanel purchase ever. These are the Chanel sneakers. I love them. They're so cute. This one is also one of my most recent purchases, which is my Prada fanny pack. We have like my Manolos up here, my Dior bag up here, which is very 2000s. This one is super cute. I think it's just like adorable. So I have this one, and then like my Fendi bag, another Christian Dior bag. You guys would have seen some of this stuff in my luxury collection. I have another Dior, another Balenciaga, and another Fendi bag here. I like to collect bags that are high-end. It's a really good investment. And then I also purchased these the other day. These are my Yeezys. So my very first pair of Yeezys that I've ever bought, my Fila's, which I've worn the crap out of so far. These I got in Florida also, so they're new. These are Reeboks. They're like metallics. If you guys haven't noticed, a lot of this stuff is new because when I get new, I get rid of another pair that I have, because that's the best way to not hoard things in your closet, is that when you get something new, get rid of something. So these are something else that I have, which are Nikes. I've actually had these for a long time. They're Jordans. I've had these for a couple years now. These were my favorite thrift find. These vintage Adidas. They're straight from the 90s. I love the forest green. These are so cute. These are also a recent pickup of mine, another pair of Fila's. I wore the crap out of these. I realized how much I love them, and I needed them in a different color, so I got these. And these are my Buffalo London sneaker boots. These were expensive too. These were about $300. I wear them a lot for my Depop pictures though, because they give me that height, and everybody always comments asking me where I got these. They are from Buffalo, London, just to let you guys know. And then I have a couple more which I keep in dust bags. This is my Marc Jacobs bag, and then this is my Christian Dior bag, which is so cute. All of my graphic t-shirts for my style. I wear them all the time. They're just super simple to throw on with some biker shorts, especially the summertime, with some sneakers, and I'm out the door. This is probably one of my favorites. I thrifted this one. It's really, really cute. It's just Chanel, a bootleg Chanel. I got, you know, the good old Harley Davidson. I love this one with the, like, lightning bolts all over this. This is probably one of my other favorite thrift finds. I just have a bunch of them. You know, got some Kappa, some more Harley. I love the lime green. I love lime green. Everything right now. Graphic t-shirts. I also have like some Versace right here, which I thrifted the other day. I have a bunch of stuff that I'm super excited to wear for fall. And then over here at the bottom here, hello, you're back. He just wants to be on camera. Then over here I have hats, another key accessory for me. So I have two massive bins filled with hats, ball caps, newsboy caps, berets. I love hats. They just make any outfit, especially in the wintertime. I love wearing hats. They keep your head warm. And here in Canada, that is very important. And then here I have some more little platform type of strappy sandals. These are really cute. I love these yellow ones. I haven't got to wear these yet because Yes Style just sent me these, but I'm super excited to rock those. And then we have sweaters, so I just pulled out my sweaters. I have these right here, which are my beautiful rainbow sweaters. So this one is Tommy Hilfiger. I got this one off of Depop for a decent price, I think, but these are really hard to come across. So I found this and I was like, I need that in my life. It's rainbow, it's Tommy, it's threads. So then I also found this one from Boohoo, which is similar. So if you want something that's a little bit cheaper, similar type of situation, they probably still have this up on there. I have a bunch of more really cool sweaters and tops, like this one right here is my polo jeans Ralph Lauren flag one, which is a Coca-Cola one, which one of my subscribers actually sent to me. So I love this. Is probably like one of my favorites that I've ever had, like Coca-Cola wise. This is so cool. Oh well. And then I have like more like this one, which is my Tommy jeans one. It's just super cute. And yeah, that's about it for my cool sweaters. I have this Tommy girl one, and then we got like a Moschino on, just some random tops in there. And up here are some more jackets. So this is one of my favorite thrift finds of all time. My Moncler jacket. These go for about $1,000 retail. I'm so excited to wear this come the winter time. I actually picked this up when I was in Florida at the most random thrift store ever. So this was such a steal. I also have this Fendi scarf right here, which I haven't got to wear because I got it this summertime, and another Tommy vest, which I just picked up recently too. These are some more of my recent pickups. This is probably one of my most beautiful thrift finds. This is so pretty. This is stunning. When I got this, everyone was trying to like steal this out of my cart, but it's so pretty. I'm never getting rid of that. I think it's so cute. My blazer jackets and suit sets here. These are some of my favorite. This is my absolute go-to blazer. This one I got in the men's section from the thrift. And I have a bunch of suit sets that I haven't got to wear yet because I just got them, or, you know, it's been a little bit too hot to wear them. I have a Gucci fanny pack here. I have more bags here. My cow printed bag here. And that is about it. Oh, my Chanel bag, one of my favorite thrift finds again. I have so many cute bags. I love bags. Alright guys, that sums up my little closet tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Say bye. Bye.
I hold back, sometimes I won't. Yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't. Hey, no. I finesse down Western Road. Hey, next. Might go down a G.